is Jeff Ramone over here. You can see they got a combine just like yours, Jeff. A Bumblebee. I think they got a T8 on their grain cart. A Versatile 8870, I think, and then they've got a Case too. So they don't care about color. Good people. Got the Pro back in action. My clean cart and tractor are not so clean anymore. Actually, they're not that bad, but give it a heck. First time dumping by himself, and I'd say he's doing pretty darn good. Can't get much closer to the center than that, buddy. Nice job. Well, we got a 25-foot head, but I'm using it as a 20 because these suckers are tough. Green. It is a tough grind at 2 miles an hour, 2.5, 12.5 moisture. Can you hear that? Yeah, that's the sound of this thing saying, why? There's the finish line for beans. Almost out of the corn too, so just got a short 80 left. And then we'll be done. Oh man, tough going. Well, the ones we've been looking for. It's way tougher than I thought it was gonna be. But we made it, finally. Well, I guess we're not there yet. Close enough. They're really green down on this low area. Well, I still got some green stuff to go through. Yeah, tomorrow we'll move on to the last field of corn. Finish line is in sight. Man, it's about time the truck driver shows up. Could bring the other cart up, but he's only got a couple miles to haul, so.
Wait long.
Not too bad. I should have told him I've been waiting for a half hour. Time to get back to work. Double dumping. And that block of corn over there, last corn. I'm not sure I'm ready to be done yet though. It's kind of nice in here. Most years it's kind of wet down in here. Pretty good corn for this area. Needs tile. For corn on corn, for this year, I'm not going to complain about 180 or so bushel. eagle over there. I don't know if you can see it. I can't zoom on this thing. But the last round, he or she, whatever, had chased out a little rabbit. He came and grabbed it with one claw. I guess it is lunchtime, so they must have a watch too. There's a little rabbit up there. I think that eagle is down here somewhere. There's my rabbit. He knows that eagle's here. That's all we got left. Last form for 2021. That's all she wrote. Thought maybe that hawk was going to grab that rabbit. All done.